But he's already fine now. Everything is okay right now for him. He's back to normal already. So I'm really sorry about that. You should tell your mom about your dog is sick, you know, and then they can get medicine for the ticks of your dog, and then you can save your dog. I'm really sorry about that. I'm really sorry about to hear that one, very tasty. I'm really sorry. Yeah, but I bought a new dog. Wow, congratulations then. All right. So I bought a new dog, 4 views and 4 likes. Oh my god. Okay, so you have a new dog. So you posted that one in your channel. So I would love to check it out for you. Yeah? I'm going to check it out, all right? I want to know about your new dog. So you have a new video in your channel now, Mary JC. So you should post more videos in your channel. You know, for more videos, and you also have to try to share your YouTube. You know, if you have Facebook, you have to try to share your YouTube link in your social media account. So you know you will gain subscribers in there. No, I'm not really that much active because I have other things to do. But that's what I do. Yes, that's what I do. Hello Dave, meron pala akong page ngayon. Meron akong FB page, which is Daphne and Victoria, which is I am advertising all of my YouTube channel in there. Meron akong page named Daphne and Victoria. Yung profile picture ko doon is yung profile picture ko dito sa YouTube. Please, i-like nyo yung page ko, Daphne and Victoria. Page ko po yun para sa YouTube channel ko. Okay? Meron akong page talaga. My page is about my YouTube channel, okay? Beauty products and everything. You know, it's a Daphne and Victoria. It's about my YouTube channel and beauty products and clothing and fashion. So please do like my page, Facebook page, guys. Bernadette Alconten. Meron akong page. I finally got a page. Facebook page with the name Daphne and Victoria. And I put my YouTube channel in there, my YouTube channel. I put my YouTube channel in there actually, and then my lab in, you know, I have the beauty product and fashion at the same time, yung mga clothing and fashion, ganyan. And then health and beauty and fashion and clothing and fashion. Yan po ang FB page ko. Name ko po, ang name ng FB page ko is Daphne and Victoria. You try to research it. Kung ano po yung profile picture ko dito sa YouTube ko, yun po ang profile picture ko doon sa Facebook page ko. So, ayan. So, now you know, alright? So, ayan. Mag-ano muna ako dito. Kasi papakainin ko muna si Victoria. Ayan. So, paki-like na lang po sa page ko, Daphne and Victoria po. Okay? Sa lahat po ng viewers ko. Yeah, I'm going by, sorry. Hello, Mary JC. It's okay, Mary JC. Thank you also for staying here in my live. Actually, I'm gonna be ending soon because I have been talking here for 1 hour already. Alright, Mary JC. Thank you so much also for being here in my live, Mary JC. I really appreciate that a lot, and I really did enjoy our live today. And to all my new viewers over here, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Daphne and Victoria 777. Guys, okay? Sa lahat po ng nanonood sa akin, thank you so much, okay? And okay, alam mo, Mary JC, thank you so much, Mary JC. I'm gonna check you out. I'm gonna check out your channel as well because I would love to see your new dog. All right, and also Mary JC, I hope to see you again in my next live, Mary JC. I love you. Yeah. Thank you.